I made a video yesterday, and in that video I mentioned that this type of hair was weaker because of the nature of the hair. Now, there's lots of people in the comment section saying that I'm talking nonsense, but I've got some scientific facts for you here, so stay tuned. So credit where credit is due. These studies were done by these people, and there are many of these studies on the internet if you want to go and look for them yourselves. So you can then debunk all the myths that you believe.
Dermoscopy represents a useful technique in the evaluation of several dermatologic disorders. This method has also been used for the diagnosis and follow-up of hair and scalp disorders. Hair dermoscopy, known as trichoscopy, enables the visualization and analysis of the scalp, hair follicle distribution and hair shafts. To date, little has been published regarding dermoscopy findings of hair disorders in patients of African descent. Although many diseases affect all hair types, the distinct properties of the hair and scalp in patients of African descent warrant further investigation into the unique trichoscopic patterns on this population. Global population forecasts from the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency indicate that of the 1.5 billion people that the world is predicted to gain by 2020, 16% will be from Africa. In light of this, and taking into account the current and predicted changes in global demographics, it is essential for clinicians to be familiar with hair and scalp disorders of people of African descent. Hair and scalp disorders are a significant problem in African descent women. One of the reasons is that African hair is more fragile, has less tensile strength and reaches its breaking point earlier than the hair of other racial groups.
So for me, if you're a hairdresser, you should be able to do all hair types, but at the bare minimum, you should know about all hair types. It is up to you to educate yourself. So if you're interested in all types of hair content, then give this channel a follow.